TFNN. Headline News Update. Here's Tom O'Brien.
Welcome, folks. We have the Dow Industrials down 20. You got the Nasdaq up 6. S&Ps are off 2.5. Gold contracts up $2, trading at $12.68. Now, what you've had with gold, folks, is this. It's pretty cool, actually. You've tested the bottoms 2 or 3 times. You got a Friday bottom line. It's rejected it. Had lighter volume on the rejection. Bottom line, it looks like gold's going to go topside out here today on a Friday. Silver's trading down 8 cents, $17.24. You got platinum up $2, $9.47 an ounce. Copper's up a penny and a half, $2.59 a pound. Light sweet crude up 41 cents, $49.38 a barrel. Notes: 10-year note down 2 ticks, 125.18. 30-year bond down 6 ticks, 152.17. What you have there, each and every day this week, folks, you've had notes and bonds reject lower price, had lighter volume. Now what you're going to have here, which is pretty wild, is that you're going to have a rejection on the daily and on the weekly lighter volume. They want higher price, lower yield. King dollar. King dollar's down 165 ticks, 98.795. King dollar, folks, is going to be making its way down to the 91 area. This is pretty intense what King dollar's doing, actually. So this week, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, King dollar tried to make it to higher price, failed each time, but guess what? You had volume expand. What do we have now? Bottom line, on the daily, on the weekly, and on the monthly, you had King dollar break its February swing low with volume. King dollar is down 155. You're at 98,800. I expect it's going to continue making its way down. And bottom line, once it got under that 100.600 level on a longer-term basis, that's a major failure. And, 2, 3, 4 months, bottom line looks like it's going to run down to the 91 area. The euro is trading at 109 to the U.S. dollar. The yen is at 111.5 to the U.S. dollar. We get over and we take a look at the S&P. What you have is this. The SPY is trading at a price point of 238.56. The number to watch coming into this close out here today is going to be the 238.37. You close below that, that's going to be a failure on the daily, on the weekly, and on the monthly. So this is pretty cool. Not only are you coming into the end of the week, you're coming into the end of the month, and where the S&P with the failure would be is that the high was reached March 1st. Bottom line, you got into the low of the high, hasn't made the high, you close underneath that, the volume's dramatically lighter on all the indices right across the board. Dow Industrials, same type of setup inside the Dow Industrials. Dow Industrials up here. The Dow would actually have to close down into 20,957. Well, we're only we're not even 10 points away from that. So bottom line, 20,957 is the number to keep your eye on. The composite, NASDAQ composite NDX 100, that's a whole different animal. That has to come down quite a way before you have any failure in place. Bottom line, you get the expansion, you get gaps, you get all of the above. We've hit 6,074 right now. You're at, 6,058. And you have between Google and Amazon, they're putting the juice into it. They're the only ones putting the juice into it, by the way, too. Bottom line, the index, the Qs went up to 136.34. You're trading at 136 right now. We get over and we look at the gold market. What you have with gold is this. This setup in gold is pretty cool, folks. You've got down to a price point of $12.64. You're trading at $12.67. What you're going to see on the weekly basis, the weekly is going to have not get to the swing low number one, which is 12.48. You get dramatically lighter volume. We got to 12.60. Bottom line, it's building cost to get up into this 12.97 once again. Notes are going right along with it. What you have with the note market, bottom line, notes got down to 125.09 today. Right now, you're trading at 125.17. Bottom line, you get a GDP that is not only low, but lower than most folks thought was going to happen. And you get a King dollar that's coming down. Guess what? You get a GDP that's lower. These rates are not going up. This 10 a.m. update is brought to you each and every day by Everbank. For more information on the products they offer, you can give them a call at 855-750-4051 or visit everbank.com/TFNN. Have a great day. Have a safe day. Have a great weekend. Safe weekend. Look forward to speaking right back here Monday morning, 10 o'clock.
Today, it's hard to tell if the economy is coming or going. Regardless, I want my money going in the direction I choose. If that's your stance as well, then you want to know how Everbank can help keep your money thriving just the way you want. Is growing your money a priority? Everbank is committed to a yield pledge promise to pay high yields on your checking, money market, and CD balances. Looking to diversify? Everbank ingeniously developed accessible ways to spread your money around the world into foreign currencies and even non-FDIC insured metals. And when it comes to your wealth, they bring a highly experienced and global perspective to help you manage it. Everbank's financial philosophy flies in the face of the status quo. They believe your money's performance should not be determined by today's economic circumstances, but by the drive to rise above them and create opportunities that favor your objectives. If that excites you, like it does me, call 1-855-750-4051 to find out what they can do for you. That's 1-855-750-4051. Call them today. Everbank is a member FDIC and equal housing lender.